So if you run a small business, you know the great customer service is pretty much everything. It can make or break you. But let's be real, being available 24/7, that feels impossible. Well, today, we're going to look at a new tool that tries to solve that exact problem without you needing a huge budget or, more hours in the day.
I mean, let's be honest for a second. This probably hits pretty close to home, right? You want to be there for every single customer, but how can you possibly do that when there are only so many hours in the day?
And that really gets to the absolute heart of the small business challenge. It's not just one job you're doing, it's all of them. You're wearing way too many hats.
Does this look a little familiar? I bet it does. This is the reality for so many of us. One minute, you're the CEO, the next you're handling marketing, then sales, then operations, all while trying to be the front line of support for every single customer. It is a constant, and let's face it, overwhelming juggling act. And here's the real kicker. While you're juggling all of that, customer questions are just pouring in. And in the world we live in now, they don't just want answers, they expect them instantly. A delay isn't just a frustrated customer anymore, it can actually be a lost sale.
So what have the options been, really? You could hire more staff, but for most small businesses, that's just way too expensive. Or you could try one of those older chatbot solutions, but they can be incredibly complex and a real headache to set up. And then there's the third option, doing nothing. Well, we know where that leads, straight to lost sales. None of these are great choices.
But what if there was a better way? A solution that was actually built with these challenges in mind. This is where a much smarter and frankly simpler approach comes into the picture.
Okay, so this is the Smart Business Chatbot. It's an AI-powered assistant for your WordPress site. Now, the key phrase here, the magic really, is that it learns from your business's content. Think about that for a second. This isn't about complicated programming. It's about giving the AI the stuff you've already created, your FAQs, your product details, your business hours. It uses your knowledge to help your customers. And this just perfectly shows the difference. It's night and day. On one side, you've got the complex, tangled mess of the old systems. And on the other, a simple, friendly assistant that's literally ready in minutes, with zero technical skills needed from you. But the biggest difference? Look at that last line. While other solutions cost a fortune, this is being offered completely free to early users in its beta program.
So how does this whole thing actually work? I know when people hear AI-powered, they immediately think complicated. But what's so cool here is that the entire system was designed from the ground up to be simple. It really just boils down to 4 easy steps. First, you install a simple WordPress plugin. Second, you upload your business info. And I'm talking just plain text files. Seriously, no coding, just the facts about what you do. Third, the AI instantly learns your content. And fourth, well, you're live. Your chatbot is on your site, ready to go 24/7. And that's really the core idea, isn't it? Let the powerful AI do all the heavy lifting in the background. For you, the business owner, it's not about needing to know AI. It's about you just knowing your own business. That's it. Okay, let's dig into the specific features. And what you'll see is that every single one is designed with just one goal in mind, to free you up so you can stop answering the same questions over and over and finally focus on what actually grows your business. The features themselves are really straightforward and powerful. You get an admin dashboard so you can see exactly what your customers are asking, which, by the way, is incredible for business insights. All your data is secure and isolated so your business info stays private. And this is a big one. The service is fully managed, which means zero maintenance or tech updates for you to worry about. And of course, you get that 24/7 availability so you never have to miss a customer question again. Now, this next part is really important to understand, the why behind this tool. See, this isn't just another tech product from some big corporation. It actually comes from the AI Bridge Foundation, which is a nonprofit with a very clear, very specific mission. And here is their mission, right here. They want to bridge the gap between advanced AI capabilities and everyday users who can benefit from them. So what does that actually mean? Well, it means taking this powerful technology out of the hands of just giant companies and making it accessible and genuinely useful for small business owners like you. It's all about leveling the playing field. And because of that community-focused mission, they're inviting business owners to join their beta program. This isn't just about getting a free tool. It's really an opportunity to collaborate and help shape a service that could end up helping thousands of other entrepreneurs down the road. So, the big question, what does it cost to be one of these early partners to help shape the future of this tool? Zero. Nothing. And I want to be super clear here, there's no catch. Your cost for the entire beta program is zero. The only thing the foundation asks for in return is your feedback to help make the service better. It's a true partnership.
So after all that, it really just comes down to this one question. Are you ready to give your customers the instant answers they're looking for and in the process, free up your own time to focus on growth?
If the answer is yes, you can learn more and sign up to be a part of the beta program right now. Just head on over to AIBridgeFoundation.org. Thanks so much for watching.